Today, we're exploring the exciting world of bullet journaling with a look at 3 of the best bullet journal apps for Android. Let's get started. My Beautiful Bullet Journal. This app offers a visually appealing and customizable platform for bullet journaling. With a variety of templates, stickers, and themes, users can create their unique layouts that reflect their personal style. It features an intuitive interface that makes it easy to organize tasks, track habits, and jot down notes. The app also includes options for setting reminders and integrating with calendar features, enabling users to stay on top of their goals while enjoying a beautiful journaling experience. Journalit Bullet Diary Journal. Journalit is designed to be a versatile and user-friendly bullet journaling app. It allows users to easily create lists, track daily tasks, and reflect on their thoughts and experiences. With various formatting tools and the ability to share entries, it serves as both a personal organizer and a creative outlet. Users can customize their pages with different colors and layouts, making it a great choice for those who appreciate a tailored journaling experience. Personal Diary Bullet Journal. This app combines the features of a traditional diary with modern bullet journaling techniques. It offers a secure space for users to record their daily activities, thoughts, and feelings, while utilizing bullet journal methods for organization. The app includes options for adding photos and mood tracking, providing a comprehensive overview of one's life. A clean and straightforward interface enhances usability, making it suitable for anyone looking to document their journey in a structured yet expressive way. Thanks for joining us today. We hope this overview of the top bullet journal apps has inspired you to start your own journaling journey. Happy journaling, and see you next time.